More and more consumers are becoming aware of the food they eat and where it comes from. They are shifting to healthier and more environmentally friendly dietary alternatives. Among them, hydroponic vegetables are quickly gaining attraction and becoming popular among individuals who want to consume fresh and nutritious food all year. If you are just getting started in the amazing world of alternative farming, we bring you some vegetables you can produce hydroponically. Lettuce. While the development of other hydroponic vegetables varies depending on the precise mix of conditions in which they are cultivated, lettuce is without a doubt one of the simplest crops to grow using hydroponics. Furthermore, they thrive in the majority of the common hydroponically grown vegetable systems such as NFT, aeroponics, EBB and flow. Spinach. Spinach generally necessitates a stable temperature and a pH range of 6.0 to 7.5. However, if you want to cultivate delicious spinach, keep the temperatures between 18 and 22 degrees Celsius. However, be aware that doing so can inhibit the development of a normally fast-growing plant. The good news is that you may either harvest all of the spinach at once or take off a few leaves at regular intervals. While these vegetables are likely to survive in all types of hydroponic systems, the nutrient film technique is the most effective. Kale. Because of the nutritious and broad range of health advantages it delivers, kale is a favorite among those experimenting with growing vegetables hydroponically. Kale is one of the few plants in India linked with hydroponic farming that has been cultivated in an aqueous medium for many years. The entire process of the plant from seed to harvest takes roughly 10 weeks. Growing kale hydroponically is pretty simple. All that is required is an acidic growing environment. The pH should be between 5.5 and 6.5 for this plant to grow. Radish. Radishes are ideally suited for the strategy since they are a cool weather crop. They, like lettuce, mature quickly and are one of the simplest plants to raise. They love a pH range of 6.0 to 7.0 and nearly rarely require additional light. A minimum of 6 hours of light exposure is required. Seedlings are not recommended for this vegetable since it is better produced from seeds according to experts. This method allows you to view seedlings within 3 to 7 days. From germination until the harvest, the plant may normally be harvested in 3 weeks to 4 weeks. Celery. Celery, grown traditionally as a winter or early spring vegetable, is often regarded as a cleansing tonic. Cooler temperatures ranging from 15 to 23 degrees Celsius are ideal for the plant. They prefer pH values ranging from 5.86 to 6.8 and thrive in EBB and flow systems. However, unlike most other hydroponic crops, they can take up to 140 days to grow using this method. For more such interesting updates, keep watching Krishi Jagran Business. Thank you.